made a comment to me that the playback button no longer has the movie, just a story and movie. Well, if we go in here to the cog and open up the settings in editing, switch to movie mode automatically during playback. Where is my cursor? My cursor somewhere. I got all these videos. All these videos. I got 4 hours of video. So if my cursor was over here and I hit the playback button, double click it, it goes back to the very beginning. Like I said, I got a lot of video. I got 4 hours of video here. Don't ask me how many clips. You may count them. I hope this has helped you, because we don't have a storyline anymore, just a timeline.